Alright, man, what's up with y'all, man? I'm back with another video. Man, it's good, it's so good to be back, man. I promise y'all, man, I can't leave this video stuff alone. Like, I can't go too long without making a video. I literally don't feel well. Like, I don't feel right. If I haven't uploaded, I just don't feel like myself, man. Like, it's crazy. I love doing this, man. I love making videos for you guys. I love your guys' comments and all that, man. Y'all are amazing. If you're new to my channel, man, thank you for coming to my channel. You know, I made 180 wave videos. You already know it's 180. My gang already know that's how we do. We do 180 waves. So let's get into it without too much talking. I want to go in detail on brushing, man. So a lot of you guys are from like England. I've been noticing a lot of y'all are like overseas and everything like that. And y'all have been asking me about brushes. Y'all asked me like what type of brushes to get and all that. But one of your best friend, if you're overseas, your best friend is gonna be Amazon. I don't know how the shipping works too well. I'm probably gonna figure out more information on that because a lot of guys always hit me up on that, and I really want to make sure I'm giving you guys good information on that and helping you with your progress on that. But regardless, you want to make sure you get a wave brush. This Torino Pro, you know what I'm saying? I do the Torino. Hold on, let me see. I do the Torino Pro. Like, I only use this brush, bro. Torino Pro need to sponsor me or something, man. I only use Torino, but you want to make sure you have a wave brush. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure it's a long brush. Don't get the short brushes, like the little half and half brushes. Don't get that, bro. I really want to sit down and talk to y'all, bro. Do not get those half and half brushes. If not, you're gonna have to see me. We're gonna have to square up. Like, I'm gonna have to like throw hands with you because I've been telling y'all this for the longest to not buy those. And if somebody else send me a picture of the half and half brushes, I'm throwing hands. Like, we just gotta fight because I've been telling y'all not to do that. Y'all doing it anyway. Make sure you brush also too. I know y'all see the 180 wave. I know y'all see the waves, man. I know y'all see them. I know y'all see it, bro. Y'all, everybody always, you know, got something to say sometimes, but you know, they come back to my channel because, you know what I'm saying, it works. The stuff I tell y'all, it works, man. And you know what I'm saying, it works for me too. You feel me? You know, it works for me too. But yeah, make sure you are actually brushing too. Once you get the brush, use it. Spend time with your brush. Like, understand whatever brush you get, whether if you get a hard, medium, soft brush. I recommend you have all three, but regardless, learn it. You know what I'm saying? Learn at what length you see the most progress at. Everybody's gonna be different. Figure out how many weeks it took you to get waves and figure out what type of haircut you got, so that way you can redo it. You know what I'm saying? If you cut your hair off or you gotta cut your hair for an event or something, you're able to go back into that same you know, that same wavelength, that same progress, that same pattern. So you really want to be tracking it. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to write everything down, but I would keep track of like pictures. You know what I'm saying? If you like your waves at a certain length, you've been brushing and you've been using a certain brush, just take a picture. Like, keep a mental note or a physical photo of your progress so you know. And that was one thing I love about my, like, having YouTube, is because I'm able to go back. Like, I'm able to go real back, like real far. I'm like, dang, my waves look better here than it does now. What did I do? What products was I using? What products did I switch out? So yeah, but you know, back on topic, just brush. Make sure you're using your brush, man. Make sure you get the forks out. 180 waves is not that, it's a lot easier, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot more relaxed. You ain't gotta focus on the angles too much. It's just on the top. So you know, you can do what you do. You really focus on how you want it to look. So, you know, you can really just, you know, get it done. You don't have to put too much work in. You still got to put work in, but you ain't got to put too much work in. So, products. Shower brushing. So, if you're on my channel, you may have seen my, like, how to wash 180 waves or like wash waves. Shower brushing is the cheat code. You know what I'm saying? Shower brushes is the cheat code to waves. It don't matter if you just started 30 minutes ago. If you watch this video, you started 30 minutes ago, like, I want to get waves, or you're watching, you want to start waves right now. If you have hair in your head, like if it's dark, if you shower brush, you're gonna see waves, man. Like it's no getting around that. Shower brushing is a cheat code. Once I learned that, I had to have that on my channel because I was a little skeptical at first. I was like, you know, I really don't wanna mess up my brush in the shower. I really don't feel like I need to have a brush in the shower, brushing my hair. Like that just kind of looks weird, like brushing with soap. I just don't see the point, but I was wrong. Shower brushing definitely put me on, man. It definitely got my waves to a new height. So like, even if you have waves, incorporate shower brushing, bro. Like it's like, it literally was the best thing that ever happened to my waves, I think. And then what's another thing? Another thing that really helped me out with progress too is using like leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners, man. I've always, you know, tested it out and everything like that, just because I have brothers, they have stuff, and I'll, you know, kind of take stuff here and there, and like I'm like, oh man, that's kind of cool, it works out. But I'll use like leave-in conditioners, and you know, I'll either use Shea Moisture or Cantu. But back in the day, like we just really had olive oil and like coconut oil, so I would just kind of play around with that. And hair mayonnaise was like, back in, if you like an OG, like we had waves like a long time ago, hair mayonnaise was just what it was, you know what I'm saying? So I would just use leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners helped me so much because it just made my hair moisturize, you know what I'm saying? It separated my waves because my hair was silky. It wasn't, I just didn't have waves, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't just brushing, I had like flawless waves, you know what I'm saying? My waves were just real, you know, it was more of a flow and like a tsunami, if I would say so myself. But yeah, it just worked out, man. Just having a leave-in conditioner, just being consistent, and just putting the work in just really helped out. And then another thing too is pomade, man. Pomade helped me out a lot. I would recommend using a good pomade. Pomade basically just saves the progress on your waves, and it just makes sure your hair is like moisturized also, and it's laid down and trained. That's one thing that is gonna help you out so much, is just saving your brush sessions. Pomade saves your brush sessions to your hair. It's like a little memory card. I always say that. Pomade is a memory card. You put the pomade in, it saves the progress. It's like, the pomade's like, bet, I got you. You're gonna have waves when you wake up. You're gonna have better waves when you wake up. Especially if you sleep on it with a do-rag. It's gonna work for you, bro. It's just, it has no choice. When you use pomade and a do-rag together, like combine them, the waves are just gonna be like, oh, here I am, I'm right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you want waves? Boom. It just is gonna happen. So that's really all I got for y'all, man. It's just be consistent too. Be consistent, but really listen to what I say, man. Like, I really make sure I give you guys the best content. I try to make sure I give you guys the best tips humanly possible at that time. I'm always trying to elevate my knowledge on the waves, because I want to make sure that I'm able to help people of all ages get them, and get y'all to, like, you know, new heights with them. And then, you know, we all swimming, we all have deep waves, you know what I'm saying? We all have those crazy patterns, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's why I do it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, especially if you new. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I'm out.